All right, what you guys are looking at is the shipping box for the Lorex by FLIR camera system. This is a 16 channel camera system, DVR, NVR system that came with 12 cameras. It's model number 10804. So basically, it's all the components that came with. I'm assuming that this is the DVR, and it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's got 10 boxes associated with it also. So let's get in here and see what it's all about. So each box comes with a cable. I believe this is a 60-foot cable. I could be wrong. I have to double check that. Cat 5 also came with a couple of screws and drywall inserts and foam. And this is a power over Ethernet system, PoE. So it's only one, should be only one cable. It's required. I see there's 2 cables on here. This is a 12-volt DC power. But the DVR is PoE. So it should only require one wire to make them work. So that's what's in each box. Let's check out the larger boxes. Larger box. So this is the NVR network video recorder. Like I said, it is a power over Ethernet port. It's got 16 channels on it. And these are your other connections. Get this camera to focus. It's got an HDMI, VGA, microphone, in and out, Ethernet connection. This is it. It can record 4K. It's got the scan to help set the network up easier. And this is basically what you get when you order that system. That's the power input. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just connect one camera, see how it performs, try to set up this one camera before I actually go to the install or running wires through the house. And I'll post back up when I get to that point. So thanks for watching.